Here's Mary Barra talking about what's behind the higher guidance.
From an 18 perspective, again, it was not only a focus on really, capitalizing on the new trucks that we have out there, the light-duty trucks, but also the focus on cost reduction. So it was across the board, every element of the company. One of our philosophies is everything can be made better, and I think what we've been able to communicate related to 18 demonstrates that. And then in 19, we're really, really excited because now we have a full year of light-duty trucks. We'll be launching the heavy duties that will hit in the second half of the year. We've got a full year of the Chevrolet Blazer, a full year of the XT4, and then another very exciting Cadillac SUV that will be launching on Sunday. So we have a very strong product portfolio in the U.S. market. We have a strong product portfolio coming in China. So when we look at that, that is going to help fuel our 2019 and supports our guidance.
While the stock is moving higher this morning, take a look at shares of General Motors over the last 5 years. And we point this out because we are approaching the 5-year anniversary of Mary Barra being CEO of General Motors. The stock has basically been stuck between $33 and $36 a share, maybe $37 a share. So we asked Mary Barra, are you satisfied with your performance, or should investors be satisfied? Here's what she had to say.
We have much more work to do. Clearly, we come in and work and focus every day on creating shareholder value and making sure that we're providing a sustainable General Motors for the long term. We have much more work to do. So we've made progress, but my focus is on the work we still have in front of us.
But are you satisfied with your performance?
I'm never satisfied.
And if you look back, somebody said, look, the stock hasn't done anything over the last 5 years. What do you say to that investor?
I share that frustration, and that's why we're working so hard to distinguish ourselves in the industry. And again, with the outlook we're able to provide because of the decisions and the actions that we have taken over the last few years, our investment in the future of technology, we're focused every day on providing shareholder value. And as I said, we have more work to do. And when do you think the shareholder finally gives you credit for the progress that you've made? Because not only you guys, but the rest of the auto stocks, they've gone nowhere. We're going to work and continue to demonstrate that we're investing in the future. I mean, I think when you look at our EV technology, which we've talked about, but our AV technology and what we've accomplished in Cruise and the unique way that we're going about autonomous vehicles, that we have everything integrated and we're focused on safety, the speed of iteration. I mean, I think there's a lot to be excited about at General Motors. We're going to keep doing that, focusing on the future, focusing on the right things, and I think it will be recognized. And with regard to Cruise, I know you're going to talk more about that in a little bit. When do we see Cruise, first of all, these vehicles out on the road, and second of all, perhaps Cruise being spun off in some fashion? Well, what we've always said, and we are still focused based on our iteration, and we will be gated by safety, but we're moving as fast as we can to be able to really deploy driverless AVs in a ride-sharing environment. That is our continued focus. And as we do that, we will focus on what maximizes creating shareholder value. So I'm not going to give a definitive answer because we're in a segment or an industry, a technology that has much to still evolve, but we will do what maximizes shareholder value.